Today I'm going to be showing you the best tips and tricks for the AirPods Max. This is the complete list of the best tips, tricks, and even hidden features that are going to allow you to use your AirPods Max to their peak potential. So let's get started with today's video, the best tips and tricks for the AirPods Max. Did you know that this case right here that comes with your AirPods Max is actually a smart case? So your headphones are able to detect each time you close the seal and they're put inside their case. The reason for this is when you're not using your AirPods Max, they're actually still turned on, or they don't completely power off. So if they're not inside their case, they're going to be using up battery life even when you're not using your headphones. Now, although they still don't shut off when you put them in their case, it enables them to enter this low power mode. So what this low power mode does is although your headphones will stay on, they're barely going to be using any battery life. So anytime you're not using your headphones, I suggest you put them in the smart case. It gets even better because you're able to charge your headphones while they're in this case. And again, they're going to be in this ultra low power mode, which allows them to charge much faster than if they're not inside the case. So if you ever need to charge your headphones quicker, or you're just looking for the best charging experience, make sure your headphones are inside this case before you go ahead and charge them. If you're ever having any trouble with your AirPods Max and feel like they're not working correctly, before you take them to the Apple Store, I want to show you a quick trick that you should try, and hopefully this will resolve the problem. So next time, or if your headphones ever stop working properly, I'm going to have you reset them. So to reboot your AirPods Max, you're just going to press and hold down on both the digital crown and the noise control button. So press and hold on both of these buttons for a few seconds, and it's going to reboot your AirPods Max. Let's quickly go over the body of our AirPods Max because there are a few important things to note. The first is you can actually remove the ear cushions on your headphones. They come out very easily and they're magnetically connected, so they'll snap right back into place with ease. Now, it's pretty cool that you can actually buy these ear cushions by themselves. So if you ever damage them, you can go and buy a pair of new ear cushion replacements. This is also cool because it allows you to fully customize your headphones in the sense that you can buy separately a different pair of ear cushions that are maybe a different color than the rest of your AirPods Max, allowing you to customize your headphones so they stand out amongst the rest. Now on this right headphone here, we have these two buttons. The first is our digital crown, and it's actually a rotating bezel, just like the one that you'll find on an Apple Watch. So when you rotate this digital crown, it's going to adjust your volume. If you press on it once, that's how you can play or pause a track. When you double press on it or tap on it twice, it's going to skip a track forward on your playlist. And if you triple tap it, it's going to take you back a track. Now, if you have Hey Siri set up, you can always use that verbal command while wearing your AirPods Max to activate Siri. But if you don't feel like using the verbal command, or maybe you never set up Hey Siri, you can actually just press and hold down on this digital crown and it's going to activate Siri. Now, next to the digital crown, we have this clickable button here. So this is how you can toggle in and out of the different audio settings. So we have noise transparency, which allows you to hear external sounds. And then there's noise cancellation mode. And again, just to switch in and out of those different modes, all you need to do is press on this button. Now, there's a few customizations that we can make to these buttons, and we're going to get to that in just one second. But first, I want to point out, this is where you can charge your headphones. So on the bottom of this right headphone is our power source, and it just uses a lightning cable just like an iPhone does. Then next to that, we have the LED light. So this LED light actually gives us some really cool insights. So when your headphones are plugged into a power source and actively charging, if you press down on the digital crown, it's actually going to show you one of two things. So if the light turns green while your headphones are charging, that is telling you that they're at least 95% charged. If they're charging and you press your digital crown and it shows you an amber color light, that means they're less than 95% charged. Now, the same happens when they're not plugged in, except the metric is a little bit different. So when they're not plugged in, if you press that digital crown, you'll see mine turned green. That's showing me that they're at least 15% charged. But if it flashes amber when they're not connected to the power source, that means they're less than 15% charged, and it's probably a good idea to go connect them to its power source. Now, this light also will show you when you're connecting via Bluetooth to a new device, but I'm going to show you that later on in the video. But it's just important to note where that LED light is, because it does give you some pretty great insights. Now let's take a look at how we can fully customize our headphones. So to access what I'm about to show you, we got to open our settings application, go to Bluetooth, and then make sure you're connected to your AirPods Max. Once you're connected, we're going to press this I right here. Now we have access to all of these different settings that allow us to fully customize these headphones. So the first thing I want to show you is how you can change the name. So if you press this name tab right here, you can type in whatever name you want your phone to recognize your AirPods Max as, then click done. And now that's how your AirPods are going to appear in your settings application. So it's important to set that up if you have multiple Bluetooth devices, especially if you have multiple AirPods. Just going to make it easier when you're trying to pair to the right set of headphones that you're using. Next, we have the noise control. So again, the button that's right next to our digital crown is how we can toggle between noise cancellation and then noise transparency mode. If you only want to use one of those options or you don't want to use any of them, here is how you can customize that button. So check off whichever noise controls you want to have access to, or you can turn them off. So then when you toggle, when you hit that button, it's going to toggle between either just one of these options, two of them, or all three. So beneath that, this is where we can customize that rotating bezel, so the digital crown. So no matter what, that digital crown is going to allow you to adjust the volume by rotating it. But you have the choice if you want the volume to increase from back to front or front to back. So just select whichever option you prefer, and that is going to customize that digital crown. Next, we have automatic head detection. This is a great feature that probably a lot of you are going to want to leave enabled. What it does is your headphones are going to detect when they're on your head, and whenever you take them off, it's going to instantly pause whatever audio is being played on your AirPods Max. However, if you're somebody that doesn't want their music to pause and maybe wants to take just one ear out of their headphones or still have it playing while your headphones are sitting around your neck, you're going to have to shut this feature off. Because again, whenever it's enabled, it's going to automatically pause your audio when your headphones come off of your head. But if you disable this, your audio is going to continue to play until you manually go and pause a certain track. This next feature, connect to this phone, is one I really want to mention because it gives you, so what happens when you're using your AirPods Max, and a cool feature in my opinion, is they're automatically going to connect to whichever device you're actively using. So for example, say I'm listening to music on my iPhone, but then all of a sudden I switch over, I grab my iPad and I start playing a movie. My AirPods Max are going to detect that I've switched from my iPhone and started watching content on my iPad, and it's automatically going to disconnect me from my iPhone and then connect me to my iPad. Now, this is a great feature most of the time, but you may want to shut it off for certain scenarios. So say you are reading an article on maybe your iPad, but you want to listen to music on your iPhone. It's going to get annoying if it keeps switching you over to that iPad when you want to stay connected to your iPhone. So if you're going to be using multiple Apple devices and you don't want your AirPods automatically connecting to whichever device you're using at a certain moment, then switch this setting to when last connected to this iPhone. Otherwise, you can just leave it set to automatically, and it's going to continue to automatically switch devices. What happens when you choose the second option is your AirPods Max are only going to connect to the most recent device that you used. You do need to go and switch this setting on all of your devices if this is the one you want to select. So beneath that, we have spatial audio, and it is an incredible feature that we have on our AirPods Max. What it is it allows you to hear immersive three-dimensional audio from any video that supports spatial audio. And it does this by following the movement of your iPhone. If you haven't tried it, click this see and hear how it works, and it's going to give you a little example of what this sounds like. It's a really cool feature. Again, it only works on supported videos, but if you have Apple TV, almost all of the movies and shows you find on there are going to be supported, and it's something you really got to try out because it is a great experience and an amazing feature on our AirPods Max. Next, I have a few quick gestures that you need to know about so you don't need to pull your phone out every time you receive a phone call while wearing your AirPods Max. So next time a call comes in and you're wearing your headphones, if you want to answer that call, all you need to do is just press down on the digital crown once. Now, if you want to decline the incoming call, just press your digital crown twice. Now, say you're wearing your headphones and you're already on a call and then a new incoming call comes in. If you want to answer the new call and put your current call on hold, just press the digital crown once. It's going to put your active call on hold and answer the new call. But if you want to just stay on your current call and then decline the incoming call, just press down on the digital crown twice. I want to take a quick break from our video to show you the incredible application Rakuten. With Rakuten, you're going to start earning real cash back just for shopping at your favorite stores. And not only can you start earning real cash back today, if you use our exclusive link, you're going to also earn an additional $20 cash just for using our link and signing up for Rakuten. So to claim this $20 and start earning real cash back for shopping at your favorite stores, we're going to go to bit.ly/getebates-bonus. Now, this link is also going to be found in our description, but again, it is bit.ly/getebates-bonus. Now, you do need to use this exclusive link to get the $20 because we have partnered with Rakuten to get you the best exclusive deals just like this additional $20 cash. Now, this also helps support our channel, so we do appreciate you using this link, but you're also going to earn this free $20 plus other additional exclusive cashback deals that you'll find inside the app. So once you go to bit.ly/getebates-bonus, you'll see all you need to do is enter your email, password, or you can easily link your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Now, it's completely free to sign up, and once you join and spend your first $20 on any of your favorite stores, you'll get this additional $20 cash bonus. So I want to show you inside the Rakuten application. So you'll see right away that there are just a ton of different stores giving you real cash back just for doing your typical shopping habits. For example, at Forever 21, they're giving you a 20% cash back. Finish Line, you can get 9% cash back. At Adidas, 6% cash back. Now, the application's incredible, super easy to use. They even will separate their deals based off of categories. So you can see they range all the way from home decor and furniture to clothing, even food and restaurants. You can start earning real cash back just by using this incredible application. Now, if we go inside, say, travel and vacations, let's see what deals they have going on today. So if you use Vrbo, the incredibly popular company Vrbo, you'll get an additional $10 cash back just for having your Rakuten account linked. Expedia, you can get up to 3.5% cash back, 2.5% cash back from turnkey vacation rentals. As you can see, there's just so many options, and you're really just losing out on money if you're not using Rakuten. It's completely free to sign up, and you're going to get an additional $20 cash bonus just for using our link, which again is bit.ly/getebates-bonus, or you can just go down to the link in our description and get signed up today. Next up, I have a quick tip so you can always know the exact battery life you have remaining on your AirPods Max. And this is to add a battery widget anywhere on your home screen. So to do this, just press and hold down on your display screen until your apps start to move, and then this plus icon will appear on the top left corner of your screen. So select that, and then you can either just search for it or go ahead and find batteries. Click this, and then we have 3 different sizes of a widget to choose from. Any of them will work. I'm going to choose the medium size, and then just press add widget. And then you can locate this just by dragging it anywhere you want on your screen. So I like this because anytime you're connected to your AirPods Max or any other Bluetooth device, it's going to tell you the battery percentage you have remaining. It will also show your phone battery as well. I quickly want to invite you to join our email newsletter AppFind VIP, where we're sending out the best mobile apps and mobile games directly to your email inbox. To get signed up, all you need to do is go to appfindvip.com or use the link down in the description. Once here, just let us know your name, your email, and then decide what type of emails you want to receive so you can start receiving the best mobile apps and mobile games. Plus, you're automatically going to be entered into our AppFind giveaways, where we're giving away free iTunes and Google Play gift cards every single month. All you need to do is be a part of our free email newsletter, AppFind VIP. So again, use the link down in the description or go to appfindvip.com to get signed up today. Now I want to show you a really cool feature that allows you and somebody else to listen to the same audio at the exact same time using two different pairs of headphones. So as long as you're connected to your AirPods Max, while you're listening to any music or any type of content, just find the AirPlay icon. So this icon right here, press that, and then there'll be this share audio button. Once that's selected, it's going to start searching for any compatible headphones. So this will work with any type of the AirPods or any variation of the Beats headphones. Once you locate another pair of compatible headphones that are in your area, you can select them and it's going to start streaming the audio that you're playing out of your device to both sets of headphones. It's an awesome feature. You can now watch movies with friends while still wearing your headphones for the best listening experience. Now I want to show you a hidden feature called live listening. So live listening is available in your control center, but you need to put it in there manually. So to do it, I'll show you that first. We're just going to go to our settings application, then find the control center tab. And then what we'll do is, I'll show you it from the start. So you go to more controls and then just find live listening, or it says hearing. So check off that hearing icon. It will now be in your control center. So now it's down here. So what live listening is you need to be connected to your AirPods Max, but once you're connected, you can press this icon, and if you check this off right here, we've turned on live listen. So what live listen does is it turns your iPhone into a microphone. So say you want to leave your iPhone in one room and you go upstairs, you can still be a part of the conversation because any audio that your iPhone picks up on is going to be automatically transferred over into your AirPods Max so you can hear the conversation going on in whichever room you leave your iPhone in. So of course, use this feature with caution, but it does allow you to listen in on conversations or anytime you just want your iPhone to work as a microphone. Again, you just go to your control center, go here, and then toggle on and off that live listen button, and right away it will turn your iPhone into a microphone, and then it's going to send that audio directly over to your AirPods Max. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This was the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for the AirPods Max. Let us know down in the comments, what was your favorite AirPod Max feature? And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a like and to subscribe to our channel for more great content coming out soon. As always, make sure you subscribe to our free email newsletter, AppFind VIP, by using the link in the description or just going to appfindvip.com. This is where we send out the best mobile apps and mobile games to your email inbox. And plus, once you're signed up for AppFind VIP, you're automatically going to be entered into our monthly giveaways, where we give away incredible prizes like Google Play and iTunes gift cards to members of our newsletter every single month. All you need to do is sign up today by going to appfindvip.com. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.